For this bracelet you want 6 cords, and you want the shortest cords on the outside. Next to those will be your longest cords, and then in the centre you want your 2 shortest cords. So basically you only have 2 long cords and they will be there. So this is a 2-row repeat pattern, and to begin you want to take your cord that's second from the left, and you want to work this in a hitch knot over the 2 cords in the centre. So you want to go over and through, and then under and through. Then you want to take your cord that's second from the right and do the same thing over the cord next to it. And for your second row you want to take the cord second from the left and go over and then go under. And then the cord that's second from the right and work over the 2 threads in the centre. And then under. And you want to keep repeating these 2 rows all the way down. And when you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've done braided tie-on ends, but you could do a button start and a loop closure if you wanted, or any other fastening that you prefer. And that is your completed macrame bracelet.